Okay. Here's our box.
Thank you.
What ingredients do we need to add besides the cake?
And water. Hold on. Egg. No. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of oil, whole eggs, another cup of water, 8 cups of oil, and 4 white eggs.
What a recipe. Okay. So it gives you 2 options. So this one says you can use a whole egg recipe or an egg white recipe.
What's the difference?
So if you use egg whites, your cake is going to be a lot whiter because there's no yellow yolk mixed in with it. So which one would you guys like to make? It's going to taste the same.
The first one.
Need for the first
1
recipe.
cup
What
of water.
ingredients?
1 cup of water.
1 cup of water. How much oil, Helen?
1.5 cups.
How much?
1.5.
1.5?
1.5.
1/2?
Yeah.
Okay. 1/2 cup of oil and how many whole eggs?
3 white eggs.
Okay. All right. Nicholas, I need you to help me fill the cup of water.
Oh, yay.
And Hannah, can you get 3 eggs out of the cup?
A cup of water. And I use a cracker. Oh.
All right. Where's the 1 cup mark on there?
Okay.
So see right here, it says 1 cup. You have to fill it all the way up to that point.
Oh, boy.
Great job. You gonna set it on the counter and see if it's level?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right. How's it look?
Did we set the oven yet?
Not yet.
Oh, wait.
We're getting our supplies. I think that looks really good.
We need a cup.
Okay, and what was the other ingredient we needed?
Oil.
Oil. How much oil?
25 cents. A half cup.
A 1/2 cup of oil. You would have answered, how much does the oil cost? And I don't know how much 1/2 cup of oil would cost.
25 cents.
25 cents. Okay, what temperature does the oven need to be?
350 degrees.
Okay, step number 2.
Beat cake mix, water, oil, and eggs and mold mixture on medium speed for 2 minutes. Pour batter into pan.
Good. All right, we'll stop right there. Nicholas, can you pour in the water? All right. Here is 1/2 cup of oil. Go away.
It looks like
Help this just here.
Okay.
And now we need some eggs.
Oh, great.
Alright.
Can I crack one?
You guys can both crack 1 egg crack it into this bowl so we can make sure we have the shells.
Yes.
And there's a trick we can do to make your cake extra fluffy. Would you like to do that?
What do you mean by fluffy?
Makes it light and fluffy. Yeah? Alright, so I'm going to do it because I'm going to turn it up high, and that's going to trap a lot of air inside our cake batter. It should start looking fluffy. Can you guys fill our muffin pans with the cupcake liners?
These are St. Patty's Day ones.
They are, but they're just green, so
Yeah.
they'll work.
They smell like Miss Jane's house.
You do?
They do actually.
Does she bake a lot?
Mm-hmm.
That must be why.
Ow, ow,
Scoop some into each muffin.
ow. Scoop for the batter?
Yes. And scoot your tray
And we're
nice and
gonna
close to
eat.
the bowl so when it drips, it'll just drip on the muffin pan.
That's my first cupcake.
That's okay. You don't want to fill it too full because the cake batter will rise in the oven.
Is this good?
That's great. How many cupcakes are you guys each making?
2, so 6 because there's 3 on each row and 3 plus 3 is 6.
Really?
16. No, it's not. It's
So, Nicholas, how many altogether then if you both have 6?
12.
You're right. Do you know another word for 12?
Uh-huh. A dozen.
Yep. So you're making a dozen cupcakes.
Yeah, because that the box said that this can only make a dozen cupcakes.
Oh. That is great.